Little birdie, your friend is here. Birdie, Birdie, you want me to put you on the other side of the container so you can see your friend? I just don't want to do that because if I get up, the bird will fly away. Yesterday was so cute when they were observing each other. They were like bending their neck. It was so cute. Birdie. She's doing something. I don't know what she's doing. She's not sleeping, is she? Nope, she's not sleeping. Can you see Birdie with your other eye? Birdie. Birdie, what did you think about that? Huh? You liked it? Did you like it? I can put some seeds out there for them, they'll come back. Did you like that, Birdie? Birdie. Birdie, Birdie, Birdie. Birdie, 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 Birdie. Look at this chunkamonka. Oh, by the way, she has 4 legs, not 3. I don't know if that one, the 4th one was small. I just couldn't see it when I first got her. Also, we found out that it's not a pigeon. It's a dove. Right? My little baby dove. So we gotta make that correction. Let everybody know that you are a dove. My baby dove. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa, okay. Are you losing balance? I'm sorry. Okie dokie. Ducky, what are you doing? What are you doing, Ducky? You talking to the birdie? Yeah. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Baby birdie. Look at that tail. Show everybody that big tail. Wow. Look at them pretty wings. Wow. These pretty, pretty birds. Wow. Your lobster looks like a lobster. Your tail looks like a little lobster tail. Yeah, you little lobster. Birdie has a lobster tail. So pretty. You are so pretty. Why you gotta be so pretty? I can see her eyes changed. I guess maybe that means mature. You hear all them birds? You hear the birds? You hear them birds, Birdie? I want to show everybody how Bird is watching her own videos. Who's the prettiest bird in the world? Huh? Pretty, pretty, pretty bird.
Look, it goes on the edge now. Look.
Birdie, Birdie.
Ducky.
Hey, my baby Birdie. He likes it. He likes it on the edge. You're becoming a very big bird now. Very big bird.
To my pants. So she doesn't pull the bird's nest.
While we're going for a walk. Do you remember this? Where your mommy is? I'm going to show you the spot where I found you. You like it? It's like the real, this is like the real nest in the tree, all wobbly and shaky. Do you like it? You recognize? You like Birdie, that was crazy. Why you gotta be so like that, Birdie? You like it? Who likes going on the walks? Birdie, Birdie.
Look at all them feathers. Look at her long tail. She grew so big. It's crazy. She's got some white feathers.
You had a bald head. Birdie, you had a bald head.
She had some white coming out here too.
Yeah. Look at all them feathers coming in. Birdie, why you gotta be so cute? When are you gonna be a pretty birdie? Who's gonna be a pretty birdie? Somebody's gonna be pretty, Birdie, right? Sessinka. Becky. Becky. Is Birdie gonna be pretty? Birdie's gonna be Birdie's gonna be pretty? Tutus. Yeah? He said yes. Yeah, look out downstairs. You're gonna be flying very soon, right? You're gonna be flying?
So I just found out that they do drink water. Not sure if she's too early for that or not. But when I give her dry food, she still asks for the bottle. So I've been trying to do this to see if this works. There she goes. Wow. Uh-huh. It's working. It's working.
Because some birds don't drink water. Like ospreys. I was learning about ospreys. They don't drink water. They get the water out of the fish somehow. They don't drink water. You drink water. See, we learn together, Birdie. We learn together. We learn.
She'll get it. She'll get it. So cute. She's getting it. She'll get the hang of it. Just like we did with the food. Slowly, about second day, she'll start. See, it took us 2 days for the food. She got it. I'm gonna get her food today. Like a Dove food. For now, we're stuck with buckwheat in the bottle. Well, you guys get the idea. Now we know they drink water.
There she goes, my baby. There she goes. So Birdie's with me in the shower. Well, not literally, but Birdie. Birdie. She's just hanging out with me. Birdie, you were listening when Mommy was singing? A booga baga Birdie. A booga baga Birdie. Whoops, sorry. Birdie. A booga baga Birdie. She likes when Mama sings. Birdie. Hi, Birdie. Mama loves you. You know Mama love her. I give Mama love. Hi, look, she's listening to me because she knows Mama is over there, Mama. Birdie. Birdie, I love you. I love you. She knows it, she knows it. Okay, I'm coming out. I'm coming out. So Birdie flew over here. Birdie. Come on. Come on, Birdie. Come on, Birdie. I know. Whoa. Okay. Because I gotta take you. I just want to show everybody how good you are. I think Birdie is sleeping. She hears me calling her. I'm sorry, did I wake you up? Okay, I'm sorry.
Второй жених, по-моему, похож на актера из фильма «Такси», девочка. Мне кажется, да. Вот такая копия, но русская. У него тоже там что-то было. Да. Какая-нибудь девушка, добытчица, охотница, позарилась на ваши зубы.